This year we've learned, better than ever, the meaning of home. Maybe we've helped you find a home, helped you connect with a new community, or helped you see home right where you are. We've learned, above all, that home is not just a destination, but includes the people around you. We were apart for a while, but through it all, we've been on the same team. The Compass Premier Club agents, proud partners of your hometown San Diego Padres. Wherever you are now, or wherever you're headed, we are here for you. Home or away. Together, Compass is your guide home.